Welcome to Traqo, your complete solution for real-time container and shipment tracking. With Traqo, you can monitor every shipment, check live updates, and manage all your logistics operations in one place. Here, you get a real-time dashboard where you can see all your containers at a glance. The interactive map shows the exact location of each shipment and its current activity. You can easily track routes, check the latest updates, and follow shipment progress from start to finish. Adding a container is quick and simple. Just enter the container number, and Traqo takes care of the rest. If you have multiple shipments, you can also bulk upload all of them in one go. Once added, you'll start receiving live updates about the movement, route, and delivery status of each shipment. Each shipment view gives you clear details, from port of loading to port of discharge, along with a progress bar showing where your shipment stands in the delivery cycle. You can also check ETA updates, see the complete history of any changes, and know exactly when your shipment is expected to arrive. Sharing shipment updates is easy too. You can send details to your customers or partners directly through email or WhatsApp, keeping everyone informed without extra effort. You can also filter your shipments by status, active, completed, or cancelled, for a clear overview of ongoing operations. In the event management section, you can view all the shipment events, apply filters, and focus on important updates like arrivals, delays, or ETA changes. You can also acknowledge key events directly within the system to keep track of what's been handled. With booking and scheduling, you can plan upcoming shipments in just a few clicks. Select your port of origin, destination, and voyage schedule, and Traqo shows you the available routes and schedules instantly. The Analytics and MIS section lets you export reports and get insights on shipment performance, helping you track metrics and make better decisions. You can also create custom alerts for arrivals, deliveries, or delays, so you never miss an important update. Traqo makes shipment tracking simple, organized, and reliable, giving you complete control and visibility all in one platform.